Reading Cursed Circuit Breadboards, Mechanical Engineering Edition.
Alright, let's see the first one. Oh my god. What is going on? This is just a mess. I mean, I don't even know what's happening right here. Cursed Arduino project. Yeah, I could see that right now. I feel personally attacked. Yeah, me too, blood. Me too.
7 out of 10.
Nah. What is this? What? Bro, they didn't even try on the soldering, man. Come on. Shivers in 8 languages. Never that way. Lame-o, I love it. Keep going, my man. Yes, sir.
9 out of 10.
Alright, next one. Oh, Lord. Jesus. So many resistors. God damn. God damn. I really don't know how this works. I am not an electrical engineer, but I know some things. This is a what? Oh, this is a pedal. This is a pedal. Oh, I see what he's trying to make. Okay.
7 out of 10.
Jesus Christ, that is a lot of wires. It's kind of messy though, but yeah, if it works, it works. I mean, successful project, so I guess so.
4 out of 10.
How? Nah. 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 How?
11 out of 10. This ship hella cursed.
Apparently this is someone's finished prototype from... yeah, someone's finished prototype. Jeez.
6 out of 10. Not bad, kid.
Nah. Why? Nah. This is giving me the vibes of my own project. I mean, the one where I made it all the same color. Hey, that counts too, right?
7 out of 10. Hey, it's still readable.
Oh, nah. Nah, 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 nah. This, I cannot read this at all. No. Oh. Okay, I could probably read that, yeah. That, no, I just give up right there. Is this how you trigger a electronical engineer major? Because this is funny.
9 out of 10. 5 out of 10. 7 out of 10.
Yeah, clearly, yeah. I don't know what bro did. I mean, he did something.
20 out of 10. Massive skill issue.
This is not from Reddit, but I found this in Google, and Jesus Christ. It's still giving me the vibes of my own project.
8 out of 10.
Oh, nah, this is just too much at this point.
7 out of 10.
I promise you, if I send this to my digital electronics teacher, bruh, he's gonna pass out right here.
8 out of 10.
Alright, currently this is the last one I could find, but I don't know. I don't know what it means, so I'm gonna let you guys tell me what it means, or why is it cursed. But yeah, subscribe for more.
Undecided.